Don't let the name scare you. This is the perfect way to curb those cravings. I'm making my keto fat bombs. So fat bombs are high in good fat and low in carbohydrate, which makes them perfect for that low carb keto diet. Now, I've personally found with these, they keep you fuller for longer. Obviously, it's promoting ketosis and it's going to increase your metabolism, which is always a good thing. So I'm going to be making two types today. The first one is a cookie dough fat bomb, which, hey, come on, we all love cookie dough. So into a bowl, I'm going to be adding in the butter, the almond flour, some keto-friendly sugar. Now I'm using stevia. I've been using this for years. It is perfect in small amounts. You really get a lot of sweetness just from a tiny, tiny amount, so don't overdo it with it. Otherwise it becomes sort of very sickly sweet. Hit it with a little bit of salt just to balance out that sweetness, some pure vanilla extract, and also some keto-friendly chocolate chips. Now you can find these chocolate chips on the internet, you can order them. They're relatively inexpensive and they taste really good too. I'll leave a link to one of the brands that I use, not getting paid for it, but will help you track down some other brands that might be cheaper for you. So I mix everything together until it's all combined, and then it's as easy as just taking some pieces, rolling them out into balls and place them on a baking tray. I've lined it with some foil and then just leave them aside because we're going to get started on our other fat bombs. Now this type of fat bomb is really creamy and delicious. It's one of my favorites. Into a bowl, you want to add in some softened cream cheese. I'm also going to add in some coconut oil. To that, I'm going to add some peanut butter. Now make sure it's organic peanut butter. You don't want that pre-made salty stuff. It should have oil at the top of it, and that's what you want to use. That's the good stuff. Yes, it is a little bit more expensive, but trust me, it's worth it. It's just ground peanuts, nothing else. That's all it is. Hit it with a little bit of salt, and again, mix everything around until it forms like a really soft dough and it's workable in the hands. And again, mix just a little bit smaller than golf-sized balls, place them on the same tray, and you can see side by side we've got the cookie dough version and the cream cheese peanut butter version as well. Now I place these in the fridge for about half an hour before eating them, just to let them harden up. And then what I do to finish off with the cream cheese ones is I melt down some of that keto-friendly chocolate, and then I just drizzle it over the top, and it gives it a little bit of sweetness to counteract with that peanut butter and the tartness of the cream cheese. And then they're ready to serve. So it makes a lot. It's really inexpensive. It doesn't take much time at all. And you can keep these in the fridge for up to a week, or you can put them in the freezer, and then when you're ready to bring them out and thaw them, and when you bite into them, you can see, look at all those vanilla flecks with that cookie dough one and the creaminess of the peanut butter and cream cheese one. It is absolutely glorious. So if you're after these two recipes, please check out my website below. Links are in the description. If you enjoyed the recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it around with your friends and family, and I'll see you real soon for another recipe. Have an amazing day.